Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something truly epic, the LEGO Marvel Avengers, Endgame Final Battle Set, collision emoji. Shopping cart emoji. Before we dive into the build, hit that link in the description to grab yours at the best price available today. This is one of those sets that sells out fast. Collision emoji. First look, straight from the final battle. This set recreates that unforgettable final showdown from Avengers, Endgame, you know the one. Portals, Iron Man, Thanos, the whole squad. The set includes a detailed Avengers compound, complete with hidden weapons, battle stations, and even an Ant-Man micro-lab. Brick emoji. What's in the box? Figures, features, and fun. Here's what makes this set a must-have. Keyboard key 10 emoji, 10 minifigures, including Iron Man, MK85, Iron Spider, Black Panther, Captain Marvel, Wasp, Ant-Man, micro figure, Thanos, big fig, Thor, Scarlet Witch, and even the chittery office building emoji, a modular Avengers HQ setup with exploding wall features for battle action, a hidden Infinity Gauntlet vault, a rotating, battle-ready platform, a buildable Ant-Man van, yes, that van. There's a perfect mix of playability and displayability here. Kids can stage epic battles, while collectors will love lining up the heroes on their shelf. Bullseye emoji, age range, perfect for ages 10 plus. LEGO recommends it for ages 10 plus, and it's a solid build, engaging, but not overwhelming. Whether you're a young builder, a seasoned Marvel fan, or just looking for a fun bonding project with your kids, this set brings the hype. White check mark emoji, final verdict, is the Avengers Final Battle Set worth it? Absolutely. You get a ton of figures, a great build, and all the details to recreate one of the most iconic moments in MCU history. It's fun, dynamic, and full of Easter eggs Marvel fans will love. Bullseye emoji, pros. 10 awesome minifigures, including exclusive versions. Playable features like exploding walls and rotating platforms. Ant-Man's van and the Gauntlet Vault are super cool extras. Great balance of build, play, and display value. No entry sign emoji, cons. Might feel a little compact for collectors expecting a giant set, but it's dense with features. Would have been even cooler with a snap scene piece, but hey, that's a custom mod waiting to happen. Shopping cart emoji. Want to assemble the Avengers at home? Hit the link below to grab the LEGO Marvel Endgame Final Battle Set at the best price today. You do not want to miss out on this one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite Avenger below. Should we review the LEGO Daily Bugle or Sanctum Sanctorum next? Let me know in the comments.